Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come and join us. And once he comes, I can start the interview. Yeah. Yeah. I'm admitting the candidate to join us. Yeah. Now, Kameshwar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. Sir.
Very
How are
good.
you? How are you?
Fine, fine. You are from which state? Karnataka?
Telangana, sir. Telangana.
Oh,
Hyderabad.
Telangana. Acha, acha. Which part of
Hyderabad.
Telangana? Hyderabad or?
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Very good.
Yes,
Excellent. What is the degree you are studying?
BSc Chemical Technology, sir. It's basically
Oh.
chemical engineering, but in plus MPC.
But BSc means 3 years only.
Yes, sir. 3 years only, sir. That's it.
3 years. BSc Chemical Technology. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
When is your interview? Tomorrow or day after?
Tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 2 o'clock.
Yes,
Very
12 p.m.,
good.
sir. 12 p.m.
12 noon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12
Noon.
noon.
12 noon.
12 noon.
Yes,
Bol
sir.
rahe hain. Very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Now, how old are you? 21.
I'm 21, sir.
You look very young. But why did you not comb your hair and all? ऐसा ही होगा. हर टाइम ऐसा ही रहता है.
No, sir. It's lockdown, no, sir. So.
No. But कल tomorrow जब अभी इंटरव्यू जाएंगे कॉम करके
1 minute.
हाँ कॉम करके आ जाओ ना आजा you must present yourself nicely.
Okay, sir.
But you look nice now, like Chiranjeevi or Pawan Kumar.
Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan. Who is the present favorite hero?
So mine, sir. Prabhas.
Prabhakar. Oh, Prabha.
Bahubali.
Oh, that Bahubali Prabha. Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. So you have studying BSc Chemical Technology.
Yes, sir.
But of course, you want to join bank. Can you tell a few reasons why you want to come to banking?
The main reason is in banking sector, the career, if you want to develop a career, it's a good sector to be in which we have not pressure. 1 minute, sir.
No problem. Carry on.
If a fresher want to create his career.
Yeah. Let me repeat the question.
Banking is
now
sir.
You have let me repeat the question.
Okay, sir.
You have studied BSc Chemical Technology. How many people from your group have been selected for this interview?
From my group, only 2 members, sir.
Only
applied
2?
7 members applied, sir. But only from my department, only 2 are.
Very good. Out of 7, only 2 have qualified.
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
Yes,
what is your father doing?
My father is an auto driver, sir. My mother is an housemaker. Auto trolley. He used to be an electrical field, but he left.
Now he is an auto driver. How many siblings do you have? How many?
I have an elder brother. I have an elder brother, sir.
What is he doing?
He's currently preparing for his CA final exam, sir.
Very good. So he's doing chartered accountancy.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now you studied BSc Chemical Engineering. Then,
yes, sir.
Will you be comfortable in banking?
Yes, sir. I think I will.
What makes you think that banking will be suitable for you?
I'm a kind of guy who is like to take risk and put himself in a situation that makes me a better person. And banking seems to be a better field for me. Even though I'm from BSc Chemical Technology, I want to create my career in banking and become a higher official in banking field.
Very good. Even I studied BSc Physics only. Not now. Ippudu kaadu. 1969 లో BSc Physics చదివిన తర్వాత ఆ రోజులో ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఆ రోజులో ఓన్లీ +2 క్వాలిఫికేషన్ బట్ I joined as a graduate. Very good. Sir. That is good answer. Now, sir, you are which bank you have an account?
Indian Bank, sir, the one which you have worked with.
I worked in Indian Bank. Achha, you have account with our Indian Bank. Indian Bank ka head office kidhar hai?
It's in Tamil Nadu, sir.
Chennai.
Chennai, Tamil
Chennai
Nadu. Sorry,
in
sir.
Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Good. Do
Chennai,
you
sir.
know the name of one more public sector bank having
HDFC,
head
sir.
office?
Public sector, sir. Okay, head office.
Public
Okay, sir.
sector bank having head office in Chennai.
No, sir. I don't have
Indian
knowledge
Overseas
about it.
Bank.
Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, sir.
Can you tell
I
me,
know
you
that.
are from Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the name of a central organization having headquarters in Hyderabad that is controlling insurance companies? That
Sir,
is
I have
like
no idea
Reserve
about it,
Bank
sir.
of India is controlling banks.
Sir, I
RBI
have no
is
idea about
controlling
it, sir.
banks. There is
I have
one
no idea
organization,
about it,
you
sir.
don't, you have no idea.
I have no idea about it, sir.
That is known as IRDAI.
Just
Note
1
it,
minute, sir. I'm noting
note
it
it,
down.
note it. Insurance, IRDAI.
IRDAI. Okay, sir.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority.
Authority
Insurance
of India, sir.
Regulatory Development Authority of India. In fact, there are
Yes, sir.
some more organizations having headquarters in Hyderabad. For example, Google also has its headquarters in India, in Hyderabad only.
Sir.
Google.
Google, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then I think this one, where is the headquarters? Let me see. National Payment Corporation of India. National Payment Corporation of India. About us, there is an organization known as National Payment Corporation of India. Where is its headquarters? I think 1 minute. NPCI. NPCI. See, whatever is important in Hyderabad, మీకు అదన్నీ తెలుసుకోవాలి.
Okay, sir.
అచ్చా, NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, headquarters is not Hyderabad, it is Mumbai.
Okay, sir. Mumbai.
Now, I am going to say Google and searching Hyderabad. Hyderabad, then what it is going to tell me, that will be helpful for you for tomorrow interview.
Yes, sir.
Because they will ask what are the important things that you like in Hyderabad. Hyderabad lo which places you like very much?
Sir, I like the place where I live, sir.
What is the name
It's
of that
peaceful.
place?
It's Kudlapur Jirmatla, so it's peaceful in my colony, so.
Very good. What
I
are
like
the
my
famous places in Hyderabad? Supposing I come for
Charminar.
Ah.
Sir, if you come to Hyderabad, you should
Yeah.
definitely visit Golconda,
Ah.
Charminar,
Ah.
like Necklace Road,
Ah.
and Tangman,
Ah.
Tangman and Zoo Park, and many other things, sir. Like Birla Mandir, if you want to go to Mandir, it's Birla Mandir and Banjara Hills, Ganesh Mandir. So many others. So, and
I think there is one.
Balkampet Elmatic.
There is one Hyderabad sailing week, Hussain Sagar.
Hussain Sagar, that's what I said, sir. Tankman.
Oh.
It's also called as Tankman, sir.
What is
Hussain Sagar.
Gachibowli IT and Financial District? Gachibowli.
Gachibowli is, it's an area like which I live, sir. There are several IT companies which are developed and set up.
You are living there
Gachibowli.
only. You mentioned that.
No, sir. Sir, I'm living in Kudlapur, Jirmetla, sir.
Nearby
not
that
Gachibowli.
place. What is Chow Mahala Palace?
I don't know, sir.
Chow Mahala Palace is a principal palace of Nizam, constructed in Salabat Jung in the year 1750.
Sir,
what is the name of that place? What is the name of that place? Chow Mahala Palace.
Chow Masala Palace. I don't know.
Chow Mahala Palace.
Golconda is the main fort which was used by Nizams to rule Hyderabad and Telangana, sir.
Very good. You told me Charminar. What is famous in Charminar? Which shops are famous?
Bangles.
Very good. Correct. Because tomorrow you will have interview conducted by 2 ladies.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So you tell about this bangle shop.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good. Excellent. Can you tell me the name of universities in Hyderabad?
the famous central university, which is University of Hyderabad, HCU,
Hmm,
and Usmania University,
hmm,
JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru
hmm,
Institute of Technology,
hmm.
Nehru University, and these are the main
Then there
universities
is
which are
one
present in
Nalsar
this.
Institute also. Nalsar
Okay, sir.
Legal Institute. Nalsar.
So null, sir. Okay, sir.
NALSAR.
Okay, sir.
Nalsar University of Law. That is also in Hyderabad.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So Hyderabad is famous for so many things. And I think there is
Yes,
a
sir.
separate Telangana's assembly, separate building is there. Huh?
Yes, sir. Assembly House. Yes,
Was
sir.
it constructed recently or is it old one?
Yes, sir. The old one is being reconstructed again now, sir.
Oh, old one is was being reconstructed. Same
Yes,
thing
sir.
or new one?
New one, sir. I think new one, sir.
New one. There is one
I
Qutub
thought.
Shagi tomb.
Yes, sir.
Qutub Shagi tomb at Ibrahim
They're
Bagh.
it's called, I don't know what to say, samadhi, that means
Samadhi. Yeah,
that
yeah.
that people's
Yeah, yeah. You can say where the
in
rulers were buried.
rulers are buried, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
Mughal rulers were buried.
Mughal rulers are
Nizam
buried.
Mughals.
Acha, what is the
Yes, sir.
percentage of Hindus in Hyderabad roughly? How much is Hindus?
I think
How much Muslims?
70 to 80%, sir. I think Hindus.
Here I find
think
it is 63.
63.
problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, no
Yes,
problem. You check it up. Okay.
And Hyderabad is a place where everybody will stay, sir, all over the India. So
Now everybody is
There's-
coming and staying. Yeah, yeah.
it's a universe.
Yeah, yeah. No,
place
you
where-
have to know something more about Hyderabad.
Sir, okay, sir.
That is one.
I'll work on it.
Okay. Tarvata. Next, you said you have account with Indian Bank.
Yes,
You
sir.
have savings bank account?
Student account, sir.
Student savings bank. Normally it is savings
sir,
bank
student.
account.
Okay, savings bank account.
You are given an ATM card also.
Yes, sir.
Have
Yes.
you seen that ATM card? You don't
Yes,
have
sir.
to show me. What are the
Okay, sir.
important points in that ATM card?
In
Don't show
ATM
me.
card, there are all 16 numbers, 16
Ah.
digits numbers,
Okay.
which is the serial number of the ATM card.
Hmm.
And there will be an valid date and year
Hmm.
till which the ATM card will work.
Hmm.
And there is my name, which is account holder name or
Hmm.
customer's name.
Hmm.
And on backside we will have a CVV, which we use for payments, the key for payments.
What is the expansion of CVV?
CVV.
I also told you in that video, but ఇప్పుడు నేను మర్చిపోయాను.
I forgot CVV, sir. Me too.
CVV
I
అంటే
forgot CVV.
card verification value.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Card
verification.
verification value. Very good.
Value. Okay, sir.
What are the duties of a clerical staff?
Sir, duty goes clerical staff. Sir, 1 minute. The duty of a clerk
But
is.
unfortunately, you have to talk only in
Sir.
English. They are talking
Sir.
only English, no Telugu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The work
No.
work profile of the.
What are the duties of a clerk that you tell me?
Sir.
Next
Okay,
question. You are posted as clerk. What will
Okay,
you
sir.
do to improve the branch? Both
Okay,
questions.
The duties of work clerk is accepting payments and do for a customer and making them happy with a smile face,
Hmm.
serving them with a smile face, and account opening and helps. I have to do with account opening also.
Hmm.
And I should solve the issues which are faced by the customers, because I am the face of the branch
Hmm.
who will communicate with the customers.
Good point. I am the face of the branch.
And
That's a good point.
yes, face of the, and I have to help the manager with small works which he assigned me.
No, don't
And
say
assisting,
small word. ఇది తెలుగులో చెప్పిన
the works which are
Whatever work he
assigned
gives.
to me. So
Very
what
good.
which are assigned to me, and
Excellent. Good.
I
మంచి
have
మాట.
to keep record of every transaction which I will
You will
make
Acha,
in work.
Can you
Sir.
learn computer easily?
Sir, yes, sir.
What are the things
I
you
have
know in
ample
computer?
knowledge of.
What are the things you know in computer?
Sir, in computer we'll nowadays the youth is
No, no.
using just
What
to
are the
watch
things
movies,
you
but
can do in computer? I am giving you a laptop.
the
Adi,
Sir.
now I am giving you this laptop. What are the
Okay, sir.
things you will do with this laptop?
Sir, if I'm a software engineer, I will do
No,
the
no, no
coding.
software. You are a
No,
chemical
okay,
engineer.
okay.
You are a
Yes,
chemical.
sir.
What you will do?
Sir. First, I'll go to YouTube and search for chemistry classes, as I am fully interested in it, and I will mainly I'm interested in marketing and everything also, sir.
Hmm.
My father used to have a small business of reselling pens. I used to be the face of it and taking which I'm taking control of marketing, which is using Quicker or OLX and talking to customers and bargaining
Very
with
good.
them about the
Very
rates
good.
and
What the
receiving
answer
them
you?
at my house.
Yeah, answer you said is not wrong. Kani మీరు ఏం
Okay, but
చెప్పాలంటే మీరు ఏం
yes, sir, yes,
చెప్పాలంటే
sir. I
what
will
are
used
the
to learn,
things you
improve
are
my skills.
what are the things
Okay,
you
sir.
know in computer? I
In
know
computer, sir.
Microsoft
Sir,
Office, MS Office
sir,
Word.
like that, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have
I
to
know
tell me.
how to use Microsoft PowerPoint,
Hmm.
and I'm currently learning about Microsoft Excel.
Hmm.
Online course I'm learning, sir. Just day after tomorrow,
Do you know
I'm having
MS Word?
classes from. Sir, no, I know, sir.
MS Word.
I
You
did
know.
my project on MX, project on reviewing, sir, papers on MS
So
Word.
what is the shortcut for selecting all in a document?
Control A, sir.
Very good. What is the shortcut for say saving a document?
So Control J, sir. I think.
Control yes.
Control V. Control yes. Okay, sir. Control yes.
Control
Okay.
yes. I don't know. Maybe
Yes.
something else also can be there, but I know control yes. Very good.
Okay, control yes only, sir. Okay,
Control yes. So and you
yes.
you have to tell, if you give a computer, I will learn. And
Sir.
in a bank, when I am posted, I will learn how to operate the software of the bank.
Okay, sir.
I will learn the tricks of operating the software and how to use that. And I will be receiving the customers with a smiling face. I will
Yes,
give
sir.
a good service, and
Yes,
I
sir.
will try to do my level best so that the bank business is improved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
So you are from Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
There was a public sector bank in Hyderabad
Sir.
that has been merged with some other bank.
Sir.
What is the name of that bank?
Public sector, Indian bank with another bank, sir.
No,
Indian
Bank has
merged.
taken over Allahabad Bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There was a bank having head office
Was a bank.
in
Okay,
your
sir.
place, Hyderabad.
Okay, sir.
That
Okay.
bank has been merged with another bank. Now that bank is no longer there. Andhra
Okay, sir.
Bank.
Andhra Bank. Okay, sir. It's become Union Bank.
Andhra
Okay,
Bank
sir.
became Union
Yes.
Bank. Corporation
Okay,
Bank became Union Bank.
Okay,
Oriental Bank became Punjab National Bank. Then
Okay.
what else? United Bank became Punjab National Bank.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
very good. You must know about banking. Very
Okay,
good. Now, can you tell me what is public sector bank?
The banks in which the government owns 51% of or above capital, sir.
51% and above.
Or and above.
Very good. What is a private sector bank?
The capital which is invested by government is below 51%, sir.
50%. Below 50%,
sir.
Very
below
good.
50%.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Can you name a few private sector banks?
HDFC.
First, you have to say
ICICI.
South Indian Bank.
Sir, South Indian Bank, sir. Okay, sir.
First,
Okay.
adi cheppali.
Okay, sir. South Indian Bank,
Hmm.
ICICI, HDFC, Axis Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank, etc.
What is the difference between South Indian Bank and ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, HDFC? What is the difference between these banks? South Indian Bank is old private sector banks.
Sir.
And HDFC, ICICI, Yes Bank, Kotak Mahindra, IndusInd Bank, they are all new private sector banks.
Okay, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్. ఓకే సార్.
Very
Yes, sir.
good. Have you gone to a bank? How many times you would have visited a bank branch?
From if I talk about my account, I
Your
have visited
account.
in plenty of times.
Plenty of times.
5 to 10 cents.
5 to 10
If
times.
it comes to my
Because nowadays you
father's
don't go,
account,
you are going only to ATM. Huh?
yes, sir. If I talk about my father's bank, I go monthly 2 or thrice or 5, sir.
Acha, what is which bank father has got account?
HDFC and SBI, sir.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Excellent.
Sir.
See, very good. That is nice. Have you come across auto rickshaws, buses, cars? On the back, it is written financed by so and so bank.
Sir.
Have you seen that
Yes, sir.
in auto rickshaws and all?
Sir.
What is the meaning of that?
Sir, the capital amount which is paid by that bank, sir, then the owner of the auto or the bus or those
Bus.
vehicles will have to, the owners will have to pay EMI, sir. Easy monthly.
Capital చెప్పకూడదు, cost.
Sir, cost, sir. Okay, sir.
Cost has been given. I mean, the owner has paid some portion, 10, 20%, 30%. Balance loan has been given by bank. That is why it is given financed, and that is known as hypothecation.
Hypothecation. Okay, sir.
That is known as hypothecation. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, have you heard in banking either or survivor account?
Yes, sir.
What is
Nominee
either or
account.
survivor account?
Nominee account, sir. Nominated account or nominee
Either
account.
or survivor account ante elaga untundi. What are the names elaga untundi? A and B.
Sir,
A and B.
If a person if I talking about my dad, if my father appoint me as a surveyor of the account, after his demise, I will be the one who is in charge of the account, or I can do withdrawals.
That is in the
deposits.
case of farmer or survivor.
Farmer.
But
Okay, sir.
either or survivor, there is an account in the name of your father and mother. Both of them
Okay,
can
sir.
operate.
Okay, sir.
Both of them can operate. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Excellent. Please tell me what is a check. Tell me
Check
what is a check.
Check is a main paper.
Definition. I don't want definition.
Check is
Simply
used
tell
to
me what
pay
is
service. Sir, check is used to pay a customer or a service giver and our money, by which is the payment will be done by the bank if he goes to the banks.
What are
our
the
payment
ways?
Will receive.
Supposing I am giving you a check.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I am giving you a check in your name.
Okay, sir.
What is, I am called drawer. I
Yes,
am
sir.
called drawer.
Okay, sir.
Bank is called drawee.
Okay, sir.
What is, how you are called? Your name. You are called payee.
Payee. Okay, sir.
Payee. Now, if I give you a check, what are the different ways by which you can collect payment?
I can collect payment by going to bank and receiving the cash, or I can send that money straight to my accounts if it's possible.
How?
I don't.
By depositing the check in your bank account.
Okay, sir. By deposit the check in my bank accounts.
If you deposit the check in your bank account, the image of that will come to my bank and then it will be paid. That system is known as check truncation system. That system is known as check truncation system. What is the expansion of RBI?
Reserve Bank of India, sir.
Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India? Reserve Bank governor.
Shaktikant Das.
Correct. Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das. Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank?
Delhi or Mumbai? I don't know.
Mumbai.
Mumbai, sir. Mumbai, sir. Okay, I'm
Mumbai
confused.
only.
Okay, sir. Mumbai, Mumbai.
Mumbai
Yes,
only, so many offices are there.
Sir.
RBI, then you have
SBI,
NABARD, SBI,
SBI, sir.
then Central
SBI,
Bank, Bank of
Central
India,
Bank.
everything is there
Sure.
only.
Okay, sir.
Many or SEBI, SCBI.
Sir,
Have you
SEBI.
heard about
Yes,
this?
sir, SEBI. Yes,
SEBI
sir.
means what?
The which controls SEBI, I don't know full form, but
Securities
I know that.
Exchange Board of India.
Yes, sir. The authority
Securities
which is
Exchange
sir,
Board, they are controlling stock exchanges.
stock exchange. Yes, sir. Which
Very
controls stock
good.
exchange.
They are controlling stock exchanges.
Stock exchanges. Yes, sir.
What is the name of this person who is in this photo? Can you see the
Sir,
photo?
it's
No.
not visible, sir. It's green
Ippudu?
screen, no, sir.
Ippudu?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see, pa.
Ah,
Sir, I don't know. I don't know, sir.
he is the Chief
In
Minister of
middle.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay, sir. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Okay, sir.
You know his name? You don't know.
No, sir. No, sir.
MK Stalin,
MK Stalin. Okay, sir.
who is the Chief Minister of Telangana,
KCR, sir. K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
who is the Chief Minister of Kerala.
Kerala, I don't know, sir.
You have to know Pinarayi Vijayan.
Okay, sir. Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay, sir.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How many
Okay.
districts are there in Kerala, Telangana?
29, sir.
Okay, I don't know. Check it up. Then how many
Okay, sir.
districts are there in Kerala? You must know both.
Oh, okay, sir. I
Get
don't
to
know
know.
about Kerala, sir.
Get
Okay,
to
sir.
know also. Otherwise, no problem.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now you told about bank. You are very good. Will you continue in bank only, or will you go for some other job?
I will continue in bank, sir. And I will try
After
to
10 years,
I
what
will
you will be?
I want to see myself as a manager of the bank, sir.
Good. I want to see
Sir.
myself as a manager of the bank. You know,
Yes, sir.
one famous person from Andhra or Andhra Pradesh, he is occupying the topmost post in our country. Topmost post in that field, in the legal field. What is the name of that person? Topmost post. What is the topmost post in the legal field? Which is the biggest
President.
court in India? Highest court.
Court, Supreme Court.
Correct. Supreme Court.
Sir.
Who is the Chief
Sir.
Justice of Supreme Court? Your own Telugu
No,
man, N.V. Ramana.
Okay, sir. NV Ramana. Okay,
Your
sir.
own Telugu
I'll
man,
note it down.
N.V. Ramana. How many
Okay, sir.
deputy governors are there in RBI? 4.
4. Okay, sir.
4 deputy governors are there in RBI. What is the name of chairman of SIB?
SIB.
South Indian Bank. Chairman name.
I don't remember the name.
Marichipoyara.
For now, I don't remember the name.
ఏమైంది?
Sir.
South Indian Bank chairman.
Salim, it's Salim Gangadharan or something, sir. Salim
Correct.
Gangadharan,
Very
sir.
good.
Salim
Mr.
Gangadharan.
Salim Gangadharan is
Yes,
chairman and non-executive
Chairman.
director of
Yes, sir.
the board of the bank. Salim
Yes, sir.
Gangadharan. Very good. You told correctly.
Sir.
Salim Gangadharan. Good. Where
Oh.
is the headquarters of South Indian Bank?
Trishur, Kerala, sir. Trishur, Karnataka,
Yeah, Trishur.
Kerala, sir.
Trishur is famous
Okay.
for what?
For Lord Shiva temple, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Sir.
Very good. How many branches are there in our South Indian Bank?
940, sir.
Huh?
940 branches, sir. Sir, total branches, sir. Only Kerala, sir.
No. Total branches. 942 or what? I am forgetting.
924, sir. 924.
Ade something wrong ani anukuntanu.
It's a 924.
924 kada?
Sir, yes, sir.
Very good. 924. Meeru, did you go through the South Indian Bank website?
Yes, sir. I gone through it for
Few
to
times.
know the interest rates, sir.
Very good. No
To know the
problem.
interest rates.
Tell me,
Okay.
what is the expansion of NRI?
Non-residents of India, residents of India, sir.
Non-resident Indian.
Of India, Indian, sir.
Very good, very good. Excellent. How many ATMs are there?
It's 7,000 plus ATMs, sir.
1,180.
1,180, sir. Okay, sir.
1,180. How many CRMs are CRM are there? 117.
170, sir. Yes, sir.
Which is the first private sector bank in Kerala to become a scheduled bank in 1946?
South Indian Bank.
Which bank became the
South Indian Bank?
Correct. Very good.
Yes, sir.
When was the South Indian Bank currency chest opened? 1992.
1992. Okay, sir.
First private sector bank to open NRI branch, November 1992. First
Okay, sir.
bank in private sector to start industrial finance branch, March 1993. First
Okay, sir.
Kerala based bank to implement core banking system. What is meant by core banking system?
I don't know,
Very
sir.
long. Core
don't
banking
know, sir.
system is connecting all branches of the bank with the head office server.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Connecting
Core
all
banking
branches
system.
system to the
All
head
the
office server.
branches of South Indian Bank are interconnected to the server of the bank. So that
Head
is
office of
known
the bank.
as
Okay, sir.
core banking system. And
Okay,
that first private sector bank to do that is South Indian Bank.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you follow? So what is the
Okay, sir.
advantage of
Uh-huh.
core banking solution?
They can make account of each and every transaction happens in every branch, sir. And what is
Any
happening
branch,
in
every
every
branch.
any branch,
In any
any
branch.
branch. Yes, sir.
Supposing you have, which branch you have an account? Indian Bank?
In Chintal, sir.
Chintal.
Chintal or in Chintal, sir.
What?
Yes.
Okay. You can deposit money in Chennai also. You
Okay,
can deposit
sir.
money in Vizag also. So that is the
Yes, sir.
advantage of, you can draw money there also. But nowadays
sir.
people are not going to bank for drawing money. Endukante
Yes,
they
sir.
can draw from ATM card.
Sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. What do you know about UPI?
UPI, we can make transactions online within our fingertips using our MPIN, sir.
Very good. UPI, Unified Payment Interface.
In the interface. Yes, sir.
Like it is helpful for operating Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, and all that. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about small finance banks?
Yes, sir. The finance, a small
finance bank,
which you
200 crore
crores.
minimum capital.
Minimum capital,
Name
and
of
they have
banks,
to give
banks, one or two
60%
banks,
of.
tell me. One bank, two bank, tell me. You don't know?
I don't remember that.
Jana
morning
Small
you
Finance
said it.
Bank. Jana Small
Jana-
Finance. Jana Small
Okay,
Finance
Jana
Bank.
Small Finance Bank.
Then Equitas Small Finance Bank. So you please
Yes, sir.
get to know. Go to
Okay, sir. I
google.com.
wrote it down, but I forgot. So morning you
Yes.
told me, but I wrote it down.
Yeah,
But I forgot.
I have told
Okay,
you
sir.
in the video itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Equitas and Jana Finance.
Yeah. Can you
Small
name
finance
a
bank.
few payment banks?
Payment banks, sir.
Airtel
The
Payment
currently-
Bank,
Paytm payments, and which I currently
Jio
use.
Payment Bank, Paytm Payment
Paytm.
Bank. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Manchidandi, you have been able to answer all the questions nicely. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is watching movies and traveling, sir.
Oh,
I love traveling, sir.
you
So,
love traveling.
in my
Traveling
free time,
ante
I'll go around.
ఎలాగ
Also.
సైకిల్ లో పోతున్నారా or scooter లో పోతున్నారా?
Bike, sir. Bike,
Bike
sir.
లో. Bike,
I
which
love
bike
everything, sir. About traveling.
which bike
Sir?
you have?
I currently own a FZ, sir.
Very good, very good. You told your daddy has got auto rickshaw also. Right?
Yes, sir. Auto trolley.
Is he hiring or is he owning one?
He owns one, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Anything else? మీరు ఏం చెప్పారు? You have only one elder brother, కదా?
Elder brother, sir.
Very good. So whom do you like very much? Mummy na daddy?
Both, sir. From father, I learn about the businesses, and from mother, I learn about the love and affection. sir.
Excellent. Very good. Manchi mata cheppinaru. How many times you have visited Tirupati?
Tirupati, sir, 2 to 3 times only, sir.
Because I'm seeing Tirupati Bhagwan picture behind you.
Sir, my
Yeah.
my
That is the
mother.
reason. Very good. Nice.
Yeah.
Excellent. Wish you best of luck. You have any questions to ask me? You are doing very well. Chinta, you
Sir,
don't worry.
where?
But tomorrow you should not wear this shirt.
Okay, sir. I know, sir, what
You will wear
this was the
some
only
full
one
arm
which
shirt.
Sir.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up. Oh, full arm, you have to have it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but mm, some other
Light color, sir.
light color shirt you
Okay,
have it.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
then you have your ID card also.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
School, college ID card.
Yes, sir. I have, sir.
Which college are you studying?
Loyola Academy Degree and PG College, sir.
Pardon, pardon?
Loyola Academy Degree and PG College, sir.
Oh, very good. It's a Christian college.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is the fees? Fees is very high or reasonable?
It's very high for other groups, but now my group was added to government and government websites at TS those, so I pay less amount, sir.
I think very good.
Yeah.
But you are not the first graduate of the family because your
Sir.
brother has already become graduate.
He
Correct.
already became graduate BCom, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Manchidi, any doubts you have?
In anything, any topics, I should get more.
You have to know about, say, Telangana minister's name.
Sir.
Telangana minister's name. Then Telangana state, when was it formed?
Okay, sir.
Telangana, how many South Indian bank branches are there?
Okay, sir.
Then about Telangana, what else? What say in your what is the main business in Hyderabad? Like IT?
Pharmaceutical, sir.
Pharmaceutical, IT
and IT,
also.
sir. Both, sir. Both, sir.
Both. So you can
There
tell
are
like that.
more.
Hyderabad,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the name of the famous company?
Sir, which pharmaceutical or IT, sir?
Pharmaceutical.
Pharmaceutical, there are plenty of them, sir. Aurobindo, Vicro, and Granules.
Any
There are plenty of
company
them.
is making
SMS.
COVID vaccine there? No.
Sir, I don't know. So, I think
No. They are asking this question in South Indian Bank. COVID vaccine spare EMI. Covaxin,
Covaxin,
Covishield,
Sputnik, Pfizer.
Pfizer.
Yes, sir.
Pfizer. But Pfizer raledu. India la raledu. Only these three. These three are there. Then there is one more Moderna. But adanni maaku tellidu. Only Indian.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You get to know who is making Covishield. Which company is making? Some company in Pune. Pune.
Bharat Biotech or
No. Some company in Pune is making it. Pune is making it. And then who is making Covaxin? You please make a search.
Covishield is making, Bharat Biotech is making Covishield, sir.
No, 1 minute. Let me check up and tell you. Covishield. Okay. Covishield manufacturing. I am putting like that. Covishield manufacturer in India. Covishield manufacturer. 1 minute. Adar Poonawalla, Chief Executive Officer, Serum Institute of India.
Serum Institute of India.
In India, Serum Institute is doing it. It was developed by University of Oxford.
Yes, sir.
And British Swedish pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. I am giving the link.
Sir.
I am giving the link in our Telegram. Are you a member of our Telegram group?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, 1 minute. I will give this link there. 1 minute.
Sir.
ఎందుకో late అవుతుంది. 1 minute. I will give you. And similarly, you please search for Covaxin. Which company is
Covaxin
manufacturing?
is Bharat Biotech, sir.
Are you sure?
1 minute.
Where is it
Sir.
situated?
1 minute, sir. I'm searching it. I don't know where it's situated, but Covaxin is a Bharat Biotech, sir.
Uh-huh. Hmm.
It's situated
Covaxin.
Hyderabad, sir.
అంతికే
Situated in
అడగాను
Hyderabad.
అంతికే అడగాను
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Covaxin manufacturing. I think, is it Bharat Biotech?
Yes, sir. Bharat Biotech, sir.
Oh, 1 minute. Covaxin. Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. It is situated in, where is it? Bharat Biotech?
It's
Bharat Biotech, it is in
Turkapalli,
Hyderabad
Hyderabad.
also. Please check it up.
Hyderabad,
Very
sir.
good.
Turkapalli,
తర్వాత
Saratpet, Hyderabad.
నేను
Sir.
ఇక ఒక లింక్ ఇస్తున్నాము సౌత్
Okay, sir.
ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అని, అది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం
Okay, sir.
చెప్పినారంటే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద వ్యాక్సిన్స్? కాన్సినో,
Sure.
స్పుట్నిక్ 5, జాన్సన్ అండ్ జాన్సన్, మోడర్నా, ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ ఆస్ట్రాజెనకా, ఫైజర్,
Sure.
బయోఎన్టెక్, సినోఫార్మ్, సినోవాక్ అన్ని ఇచ్చినారు. ఇదన్నీ మీకు తెలుసాలి.
Okay, sir.
అండ్ యునో ఇప్పుడు కరోనా ఎలాగుంది తెలంగాణలో? లెస్ అయిపోయిందా?
Its graph is a little bit low, sir, now.
వెరీ
It's going
గుడ్.
down.
నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ లెస్. నౌ షాప్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఓపెన్ ఆర్ నాట్
Yes, sir. It's open, sir.
ఓపెన్?
Lockdown is open, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్.
Released.
గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. బెస్ట్ విషెస్. టుమారో ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, please send me the
Okay, sir.
list of questions they
Sir,
are asking.
I have one more doubt, sir. As
Yeah.
I'm from science background, if they ask me why you choosing bank,
No
what
problem.
should I tell?
Ade-
Or is it,
Ade,
how
see,
can
you can
this?
tell them that nowadays there are not sufficient many opportunities in science.
Sir.
No other company came for campus recruitment in our college, and there are not sufficient job opportunities in science, and also job growth is not there. Career growth
sir.
is not there. That's why
Okay,
I
sir.
want to come to banking. If I
Okay,
join bank, I am sure I will get promotions because I will study JAIIB, CAIIB,
JIB.
and all that.
Yes, sir.
JIIB
Okay, sir.
in exam conducted by Indian Institute of Bankers.
Okay, sir.
I will study that. I will all you, if you pass that, you may get one increment also.
Okay, sir.
So best wishes. Inka ఏమైనా doubt ఉందా?
ఇంకా
You are doing very well.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You are doing
Because of
very
you, sir,
well.
I started following you, sir.
The
And
no, you are able to
morning,
communicate effectively. Most important thing, you are smiling. Your
Sir.
mother is lucky to have you as
Sir.
her son. Good, very good. You are smiling
you.
always. That is good. Be cheerful.
Sir.
One question
Okay,
you
sir.
are not answering, don't worry. Two questions
Okay,
you
sir.
are not answering, don't worry. Straight
Okay,
away
sir.
go and be smiling.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir.
God, you know,
Thank you, sir.
out of the
Thanks.
questions I have asked, they will ask 2-3 questions, but many questions they will ask new questions. We can't find
Okay,
all
sir.
questions. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
ఇంకా ఒక క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ చెక్ అండ్ డిమాండ్ డ్రాఫ్ట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్
Demand.
బిట్వీన్ కరెంట్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ ఎస్బి అకౌంట్?
Okay, sir. I know.
What-
As you
what-
said
what is
in
the-
tomorrow morning.
what is the balance sheet? What is the difference between private sector banks and public sector banks apart from
Okay.
ownership? What
Okay.
is priority sector advances?
They
Priority
have to give
sector
more
means
priority to
priority sector
agriculture
means
and home
agriculture and infrastructure,
structure
education,
and
housing,
education,
housing,
housing. Yes, sir.
like that. Good. అది చెప్తే అవుతుంది.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Best wishes.
Okay,
God bless you.
Okay.
You have done
Okay, sir.
very well.
Okay.
Thank you. I think we
My
can
marks
post
for the
it
interview.
unless you have.
Sir. Yes, sir.
We can
I'm
post,
okay with sir now. No,
Yeah.
I'm okay
we
with
can
it, sir.
post it. So
Sir.
you have done your best. I will give you 9
Sir.
out of 10.
Sir, more
But
than the 12.
9
Okay,
out
sir.
of 10.
Okay.
But I don't know
Okay, sir.
how many marks you have scored in written test. That
Okay,
is
sir.
also important. But head,
It was pretty
thoda
easy, sir,
head you should properly comb. Adi
Okay,
adi
sir.
alaga, it goes very
Sir.
big. Oh, you don't apply oil and all that, na?
Sir, I did head bath set today, so.
Oh, theek hai, no problem. Very good. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
Inke
Thank you,
doubts unda?
No question, sir.
No doubt. From where are you
In-
speaking?
oh,
You are
promotion
speaking
అంటే
from ground floor or first floor?
top floor, sir. Third floor, sir.
Third floor.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are staying in third floor flat.
Sir, penthouse, sir. So
Penthouse.
we live in penthouse.
Acha, penthouse means last
Penthouse,
one. Last
yes,
one.
last one.
Last
one,
one.
yes, sir.
Acha, I know. Maybe
Yes,
rent
sir.
will be slightly less.
Yeah.
But Hyderabad
No,
lo
sir,
rent less
high.
kada.
అది సార్ కొంచెం కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ తక్కువే సార్ ఇక్కడ
కొంచెం తక్కువ.
కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ ఇస్ లో
Slightly.
ముంబై
How
కంటే
many
ముంబై
bedroom? How many bedroom house?
సింగిల్ బెడ్రూమ్ సార్ హాల్ కిచెన్
Single bedroom means how much they are
Yes, sir.
charging? 10,000?
నో సార్ ఇట్స్ 5,500 or
Oh,
6,000
Baba,
సార్
very good, very good. Manchidi.
కాస్ట్
Thank
ఆఫ్
you.
లివింగ్ ఇస్ లో ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ సార్ దట్స్ వై మోర్ మెంబర్స్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ టు బిల్డ్ దేర్ కెరీర్ హియర్ సార్
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. God bless you. I will
Thank you,
post it. I will post it in YouTube. You see that.
ఓకే సార్
You can share
Thank
it
you.
with your friends also.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Thank
Sir,
you.
thank you very much for your service.
No, you
sir.
are doing
Because
very
of you only, I got to know SB and everything, every knowledge from morning's videos, sir.
very good. Best
Very-
wishes. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Afterwards, IBPS advertisement will come.
Okay, sir.
IBPS. So you apply
IBPS.
for clerical also.
Okay, sir.
IBPS, clerical and officer also you apply. Start preparing
sir.
seriously.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Best
Okay.
wishes. If you want
Thank you.
tomorrow, you can attend my class 4 to 5 if you are free. Interview will be
Okay,
over
sir.
by that time.
It will be over by 1:30, sir.
Yeah,
It will be over by
I
1:30.
will give questions in our Telegram.
Telegram room.
You can
Yes, sir.
answer the questions. You don't have to give me the answers. You
Okay, sir.
can see how many marks are you scoring. You will not score very good marks. Don't worry. But try Chevandi. Try
Okay,
Chevandi.
sir.
One more girl
Okay,
is also coming tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
That Bangalore girl also will be coming.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One who has answered that video. Video
Yes, sir.
చూసారా?
చూశాను సార్ మొత్తం
ఎంత కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేస్తుంది చూసారా?
సార్
అలాగే
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
ఆన్సర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Best wishes. I gave her
Thank
some less mark because she was not able to answer a general knowledge questions.
sir.
Minister name. Acha, minister name I have not asked. What is the name
Sir.
of finance minister?
నిర్మలా సుందర్ రాజన్
Huh?
సీతారామన్ సార్ నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ సార్
What is the name of
From
defense
India.
minister?
డిఫెన్స్ మినిస్టర్ ఐ డోంట్ నో సార్
Oh, Baba. Rajnath Singh. Okay, I will post
ఓకే
it.
సార్ రాజ్నాథ్
I
సింగ్
will post it
Okay,
in
sir.
Telegram. You please read it.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
Thank
సార్
you. Bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ బాయ్ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్